Follow the steps on how to make an image with a halftone effect like this in Photoshop. Let's start by opening the picture. Press Ctrl J to duplicate. Right-click and convert to Smart Object. Then go to Image, Adjustments, and Black and White. Set it like this. Go back to Adjustments and select Brightness or Contrast. I set it like this. Next, go to Filters and select Filter Gallery. Select Reticulation and set it like this. Click the plus icon and add a halftone pattern. Set it like this. Next, go back to Adjustments and select Levels. Set it like this. Add back black and white. Select these two layers and group them. Finished and good luck. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.